I am very confident. You know, it's not just dependent on the government, dependent on the people to embrace this change. You know, as much as the government can try and put the plan and implementation at work, but if the end of the people say, look, you know, I'm not going to go through this transformation because, you know, maybe perhaps it's kind of difficult to learn something new, like, you know, multitasking and all those stuff, then we have ourselves to be blamed. Because one of the traits of high income is actually multitasking. You know, you're able to do a 2-3% job in one go, and yet, you know, still have a good quality time for your family. My preference for frequencing is, you know, we need to have the safety net in place before you start, you know, putting some of the pains in there. Worker safety net, social safety net in place. You know, worker safety net is retraining skill fund that is required to be in place so that, you know, there are, yes, we try to shift workforce into now the what you call it, knowledge worker. There are people who probably find themselves difficult to adapt to it, but, you know, we need to have a proper system in place to ensure that these people are well supported, trained properly, and put him back into the job market. Okay. And there are industries too that probably will be dislocated because we're going to give preference to industries that are going to create high value to the economy, right? So you find that some of the old industries, we don't say, look, you get out, but you're not going to get the kind of support that you used to get. So they'll be struggling for a while. I think we do need also to assist them in transforming into moving them up to a high value chain. There are always, you know, interested groups and those groups of people who are probably quite comfortable in terms of where they are now, over reliance on subsidy and so forth. They'll be the one that, you know, form the resistant group. Under, you know, to me, I think, you know, I'm not a politician. We know that we have to abide to the Constitution, right? So that there are certain rights of the Bumi Putra within the Constitution under 153, and we still have to honor that.